Good afternoon and welcome to Kingsbridge. My name is Harry and I'm just going to show you around this 2020 VW Tiguan R-line Tech finished in the Oryx White. So this is the pearlescent white, which looks really good on this guy. You can actually see it on camera, which is nice. It's a really good spec. It's kind of got all the right bits. It's the 2-litre 4MOTION DSG. So it's the 190 on this one, which is by far the better engine. But it's a really nice spec. So it was one owner, full VW history, really nice condition. So you've got LED headlights, obviously all of the black sort of exterior trims, front and rear sensors, cameras, 20-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. You've got the side steps on this one as well, which just bulks out that sort of bottom section of the car. Just looks nice. Privacy glass. On the interior you have got the full black leather, that contrast grey piping, and the R's embroidered into the backs of the seats. Panoramic roof, which is absolutely key goods in these. Then usual sort of bits and bats in there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well, which is massively important these days. Really decent sized family car this. Plenty of boot space, loads of space in the rear, charge points for the kids in the back, their own little climate control in the centre there. You've got the tables, little picnic tables in the back. So you've got those roof rails. It's been really well maintained and cared for, this car. As I say, full VW history from new, registered 2020 as I mentioned. Got reversing camera. The power boot, again, another option on this. Most of them don't have that. Most of them are the exercise boots. You've also got the electrically operated tow bar. Now, in terms of what that's been used for, quite literally, it's been used for a very small trailer going to and from the allotment, going to the tip, things like that. So it's not been carrying caravans or anything big and chunky, but that just fold away as well. Sorry, underneath there, usual bits and bats, battery, toolkits, etc. Just a nice car this. So, jumping on into the interior. Sorry, just telling me off because the ignition's on. There we go. I'll just start the car just so it gets rid of those warning lights. Right, down here you've got electric memory seats for the driver, heated seats, 3-zone climate controls I mentioned in the back. Down there, various ports for USB, auxiliary, etc. You have got the digital dash as well in here, so all of your satellite navigation, everything on there. That warning light, by the way, is just because the tow bar's like half deployed because I haven't done it all the way, so please ignore that. And then you've got lane assist, adaptive cruise control, all the good stuff on there, most of which most people are going to switch off. Side assist is good, so that's your blind spot monitoring. Those little black markers there, they illuminate if there's someone in your blind spot. Rear traffic alert, that's actually quite handy coming out of supermarket car parking spaces. Just lets you know when you're backing out that there's something coming either from the right or left if you can't see where you are. It's nice to have. And then the front assist. So on here, as I mentioned, you have got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Mirror Link. Don't really know why you'd need that if you've, don't know what else you can have other than Apple and Android, but there you go. And then obviously usual bits, satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, etc, etc. And in the vehicle there's various bits that you can have on here for your various off-roading information. Very unlikely you're going to be off-roading, but if you are, you've got that. And then in here again there's more bits. So you've got the dynamic light assist, that is your automatic high beam assist. They do bend around corners, all those kinds of things. Absolutely must have for me personally. A lot of people love that. And again, that's just more of the same stuff I've just showed you. But there you go. Condition wise, lovely. Adjustable armrest, various drive modes selects, wet weather, frosted weather, park assist, so front and rear sensors as I mentioned. You have got a reversing camera, and it will, to a degree, park itself. LED headlights in the rear, auto dimming rear view mirror. But yeah, just a nice car this. Can't imagine it's going to hang around very long. That's your stop start button. So there you go, there's a little look at that. If you want a one owner full service history VW Tiguan with loads of the right options and a cool colour combination, that is by far one of the best examples we can see on the market. So do get in touch with us if this one has piqued your interest. And if you are interested in keeping up to date with what we get in here at Kingsbridge, please do subscribe to the channel, give us a like, it always helps with the algorithm. More people seeing it helps. Cheers.